Today we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate kitchen gadget that simplifies meal prep and cooking like never before. If you're looking to upgrade your cooking game and save precious time, this review is for you. What truly makes the Instant Pot Duo Plus stand out is its incredible 9-in-1 functionality, combining a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more into one sleek appliance. Forget complicated settings. Its 15 customizable smart programs mean perfect results for soups, stews, cakes, or sautéing, with just the touch of a button. And cleanup? A breeze, thanks to the durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot, a feature that serious home cooks truly appreciate. This isn't just another kitchen appliance. It's a versatile powerhouse designed to make healthy, delicious meals accessible to everyone, even on busy weeknights. Ready to transform your kitchen? Find the best deals and check current prices by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. From beginners to experienced chefs, the Instant Pot Duo Plus consistently delivers outstanding performance and incredible convenience. For anyone searching for the best kitchen gadgets of 2025, or simply wanting to cook smarter, this Instant Pot is a game changer. Don't miss out on adding this essential Instant Pot to your home. Grab yours today.